Nominalization, or in German, Substantivierung simply means a verb acting as a noun. This is a common characteristic in many European languages, including German. Certain verbs in their infinitive forms are used as nouns. In German, all these nouns are neuter. Some examples are das Schwimmen. Schwimmen is a verb that means swimming, and when we make a noun out of it, it becomes das Schwimmen, which means the act of swimming. Warten means to wait, and when we make a noun out of it, it becomes das Warten, which means the process of waiting. Spielen means to play, and its nominalized form is das Spielen, the act of playing. Lernen means to learn, and its corresponding noun is das Lernen, which means learning or the act of learning something. Such nouns can easily be recognized by their capitalization and their neuter article. For example, ich mag das Schwimmen. I like swimming. Das Spielen ist hier nicht erlaubt. Playing is not allowed here. Das Abladen ist nicht erlaubt. Unloading is not allowed. Abladen means to unload, and its nominalized form is das Abladen, which means the process of unloading. Even when there is no article with such nouns, they can easily be recognized by their grammatical behavior. Like, ich lerne schwimmen. I am learning swimming. Or I learn swimming. Schwimmen ist nicht leicht zu lernen. Swimming is not easy to learn. Lernen ist ständig. Learning, the process of learning, is constant.